Hey, what's going on YouTube? Joseph White here. Got both the cars here sitting next to each other, the Audi A4 and the Dodge Challenger Scat Pack Widebody. One of these rock guards does not look like the other. Let's see here. This one looks to be in place. This one looks good. This one looks good. It's in place. This one's doing fine, hanging in there. And, well, this seems to be a problem, huh? So about a month after getting these rock guards, this guy goes missing. And I don't even know at what point, really. I remember I was getting out of a car wash and I was drying the car down and took a look at the actually what I was doing was I was having a conversation with another individual who was, you know, interested in the car. And as we were chatting, I just happened to notice that this guy was gone. I was hoping that he didn't notice, you know? And sorry, I'm working on my way to remove this thing. And yeah, needless to say, I was disappointed. So what I actually did though was I shot a message to ZL1 Addons, the company that I ordered this thing from. Sent a concerned, you know, email. And you know what? ZL Addons, those guys, they really came through. In my message, I emailed them. I said, hey, look, like, you know, I bought these things, you know, a month ago. And next thing I know, one of the fenders is gone. And honestly, I told them too. I was like, look, like, I'm not even gonna lie, I don't know how it happened. I don't know if it's because of a defective product. I don't know if it's because I actually ran over something and it was totally my fault. Well, ZL Addon, good guy ZL Addon, they didn't even ask questions. After about a day or two, they responded back with an email that said, hey, we've got a couple of rock guards on the way at no charge to you. And I just have to say one thing to ZL1 Addons.
God damn it, I like the way you do business.
So, as I'm struggling to take this last pin out, I did want to make a point though. You know, I saw some people leave comments about, oh, you know, bump the rock guards, you know, the rock guards do nothing, I never put my rock guards on. So, you know, I don't have anything to worry about. And these birds are going crazy. Well, I want you to take a look here at the amount of kick up and, you know, mud, you know, dirty water that has been brought up thanks to this guy being broken and absent. So, you know, honestly, for those of you that say that it doesn't make a difference, it really does. I mean, take a look. Here we have a bunch of mud kicked up. Go to the other side. And we barely have anything at all. So, you know, don't sleep on these. It makes a difference. So we're gonna go ahead and get this pin taken out eventually here and slap on the other rock guard. And get back to you guys once it's done.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, that's pretty much it. After taking entirely too long to get that last bracket out, I was able to install the new rock guard and all is right with the world. Here's the old one. I'm gonna throw this in the garbage. Hopefully this doesn't happen again, but if it does happen again, I hope that ZL1 Addons will come through for me again. Hopefully they won't have to. So that's pretty much it guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.